What are you doing?
It's okay, it's okay.
Are you crazy? Is it ketchup?
Yes, it's ketchup.
Oh my god!
I can explain. I saw it in the video. The results are incredible.
You are crazy. What are you doing?
Don't touch, don't move,
Oh
please.
my god!
Because it cannot work.
You don't know that will be result perfect or not. But tomorrow my date with Dylan.
Don't move and close your eyes, please, because it's a toothpaste
Oh my god!
with the menthol.
Ah! Are you sure in this?
Yes. Just don't move, okay?
Oh, it will be beautiful.
Yes, the colors are amazing. I saw it in the video. And the girl have such a beautiful colors. Actually, the first process was ketchup, the best. Oh, I need a form. Hold it.
Okay.
Don't worry. Actually, if it's not work, you can cut your hair. I'm joking, okay? Actually, you smells like a hot dog. I wanna eat
With
you.
menthol?
Yes. I need those.
Wow.
Hold it.
Wow.
I need this one
Ooh, it's so cool.
as a beauty salon. All best for our clients.
Oh, thank you.
So soon we will see the final results. You ready?
Okay.
I will help you. Stand up.
so excited.
It will be very awesome. Stay here.
Okay.
Put your head down.
Okay.
You ready? Close your eyes, please.
Okay. How it looks.
Gorgeous. Actually, I love it. Wash it.
Okay.
More active.
Okay.
This is final.
Okay.
And go in the sun.
Okay.
Sit here.
Oh.
Yes. And I can help you. Can you?
Yeah, sure. How it looks.
I love it. It
Really?
looks gorgeous. So bright colors.
Oh, it's so nice. I want to see it.
Just a few seconds.
Oh.
Our friend.
Like I'm in spa. Are Dylan like this?
I sure he likes that.
Oh, cool.
You're so bright like a star.
Oh.
Shining.
And he
With the
will propose to me.
Yes. At last, we will see. You ready?
Yeah.
A color so amazing. I love that.
Really? What the color?
You will see. Just a few seconds.
Okay.
Come on. Ready? Steady. Look.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's exactly what I
Gorgeous.
want.
I've told you.
Oh, thank you.
Awesome.